Cannabinoids are chemicals that are made by the cannabis plant. Cannabinoids come from cannabis, so they are called cannabinoids. More than 80 have been identified, and they can affect how your brain and body function. The two most important cannabinoids are called Tetrahydrocannabinol, or THC, which is the most common psychoactive cannabinoid in marijuana that makes users feel high. And there is cannabidiol, or CBD, which is the second most common non-intoxicating cannabinoid found in both marijuana and hemp plants. CBD doesn't make people feel high and is possibly helpful for controlling seizures and reducing inflammation. Endocannabinoids are made by your body. These body-made chemicals are called endocannabinoids because they are made endogenously, or within the body, and some of them act like cannabinoids from the cannabis plant. The two most important endocannabinoids are called Anandamide and 2-AG, which stands for 2-acylglycerol. Whether they come from plants or whether they're naturally made within your body, cannabinoid chemicals are like radio waves. They carry information like a messenger but need to land on an antenna for the message to be received. Receptors are like the body's antennas. Receptors are proteins that our cells make to detect the presence of these messenger molecules floating through the bloodstream or in the fluids that surround each cell. Endocannabinoid receptors are specifically tuned to pick up the signal from cannabinoid molecules and turn on. Endocannabinoid receptors are found throughout the brain and body, even in your digestive and reproductive systems. How does THC work? It activates your endocannabinoid receptors throughout the body and brain and causes a high feeling. It's also responsible for the unpleasant feelings like anxiety or paranoia that other people report when they use marijuana. It affects different people in different ways because of human diversity. The body's endocannabinoid receptors can't tell the difference between fake and real cannabinoids. So, that's why marijuana can affect how the body works. THC turns on the receptors designed to respond to your natural chemicals and blocks them, so your body stops producing enough real chemicals. By not using marijuana, you'll make sure your brain chemicals are working exactly the way they should. For more information on how to save our youth from the harms of marijuana, go to johnnysambassadors.org.